This is 6.1 part 2. So in this section we're going to kind of go a little bit backwards. Oops. We're going to be starting with our solution. So this would be a solution that we found in the last example. We're going to be starting with that. And then we're going to have our two equations and we're going to see if the solution works in both equations. Okay? And a note here is the point must work in both equations. If it works in one but not the other, it's not a solution. Okay, so if you have one fail and one pass, it's not a solution. Okay, so what we're doing now is pretend we don't have this graph here. Okay, we're taking this and we're just given these and we're saying, is this actually a solution of these, or is it just kind of two random numbers that someone picked? Okay, so let's try that out. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with our equation 1, 3x plus 5y is equal to 1. And here's our point. So I'll rewrite our point here. It's 2 minus 1. And we always have our x first, so that's going to be our x, and that's going to be our y. So then we're going to take this x, and we're going to put it in here where the x goes. We're going to take the y, and we're going to put it in here where the y goes. And we're going to see if this side of the equals and this side of the equals are the same. So let's try it out. So instead of our x, we're going to write 2. Instead of our y, we're going to write minus 1. Now we need to solve here. So this means multiplication, so we're going to do the multiplication. So 3 times 2 is going to give us 6. 5 times minus 1 is going to give us minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 is equal to 1. Those are the same numbers on each side, so that passes. So now we can try our second solution. So if you fail on the first solution, you do not need to continue. But if it passes, then you need to check the second one. 2x minus 2y is equal to 5. So I'm going to put my x and y values in again. So here, x is 2, and my y is minus 1. Is equal to 5. So this needs to multiply here. This needs to multiply here. So 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 2 times minus 1 is going to be positive 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 and 5 are not the same number, so this one fails. So as soon as you have one that fails, this is not a solution. It's not a solution. So we can try one more. If you want to pause here and give it a try, you can do that. So I'll give you a second to do that. So pause and try it out. So we have our two equations. And then we have, this is our x and this is our y. So I'll insert those numbers. So here we have 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 3 plus 2 gives us 5 is equal to 5. So that one works. Here we're going to have 2 and then 3, 3 and then 2 is equal to 12. So now we need to do this multiplication. Whoops. 2 times 3 gives us 6. 3 times 2 gives us 6. 6 and 6 together is 12. So this one also works. So we can say yes, a solution. So you can go try those out. And that's page 236, number 4, A to E. Okay, and that's it for this section.